Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you guys a super exciting video. Just so you guys know, this video is sponsored. It is sponsored by EverBee, and today we are going over how to find most profitable niches and designs. And what's really nice about EverBee is they offer a free trial, so you guys can sign up in the link in the description. Again, that is an affiliate link if you guys want to support me on my channel and all the free content I share. But besides that, guys, this is a great resource and tool that you guys can use to find profitable niches and get some design inspiration, design inspo, if you will, on how to design, what designs are really selling right now, and what type of designs are trending. I think it's a really great research tool that I personally use. So guys, I am going to show you guys basically how to find most profitable niches in this video, how to find designs that are trending, and what to look for when you guys are using this specific type of application on your devices. Now, before we begin, there's a few things that you need. First of all, you need to have a desktop or laptop, and then on top of that, you do need to download Chrome and then get the EverBee Chrome extension. So in just a second here, I'm gonna hop onto my laptop and show you guys how to do that. Before we begin, one thing I forgot to mention is I do want to preface by saying we are not copying directly on stores. We're not copying and taking other people's designs or their design ideas that they work so hard on. That's something that I love to teach on my channel, is to create your own type of designs and find your own specific niches. And it's not to copy or take directly from someone else's store. So I did want to preface that before we get into the video here, and we're gonna hop on to my laptop. See you guys. Hi guys, so we are on my desktop computer and we are going to go over how to install EverBee, how to use EverBee, and I'm going to show you guys how to find some niches, find some trending designs, maybe that you guys can kind of create your own designs and get some design inspiration going. So we are going to, first of all, download the EverBee Chrome extension. So it's really as simple as typing in EverBee Chrome extension, and we will just click on the EverBee Chrome Google. And again, you guys can get EverBee just by signing up down below in the links in the description of this video. So it's really easy to do. All you have to do is click add to Chrome, then you will add extension, and then it takes a little bit to update. And then yay, we have our extension. So guys, now that we've downloaded the Chrome extension on Google Chrome, we are going to go right into our analytics for EverBee, and we're gonna find some really profitable niches and designs, and I'm super excited to go through looking and researching with you guys. So we are going to just look up women's t-shirts to begin. I think searching up women's t-shirts to do our own market research is one of the best ways to start. So I'm just going to hit analytics on this page, and the analytics will go over the 64 listings that are shown on this specific page. And what we want to do is we kind of want to scroll past the ads that we'll see. So even EverBee will show the ads that are showing at the top of this, and then we're just going to keep scrolling. So one of the top t-shirts that I see right away is the Adventure Awaits t-shirt, and I'm just going to click into this because now I'm curious how the design looks. So this is a very simple design, but it has a lot of nice colors. The mock-up used is just so beautiful, and this looks like a super nice t-shirt. As you guys can see, even on Etsy, it has the bestseller badge. This store specifically sells a lot of items per month, and what's really nice about EverBee is it actually pulls the tags from the specific niche in. So we have all the tags, and you can easily just copy all of these and paste these if you wanted to on your specific listings on Etsy that you're creating as far as this specific niche goes. So we can see right away that this is a very profitable niche. It says that this estimated monthly revenue is $1,264, which 20 to 30% of that would be the take-home profit of the specific store if they're pricing correctly. And that means that this store makes $250 off of this design every month. And Of course, there's increases and decreases in order volumes per month, but this specific store makes a lot of sales on this niche alone, and that shows to me that that's a very profitable niche. And from my experience on Etsy and being on the platform for a year or two, the adventure camping hiking niche is a very profitable niche to go into. So I would highly suggest that if you guys are looking to go into any niche. But we're going to keep going down the list, and I'm going to see what other niches we can kind of find. It looks like as far as designs go, a lot of people have been kind of copying this wildflower design. It seems like the wildflower design is very in right now. It's very simplistic, and it's something that people are searching for right now. They want to purchase. So that's definitely ranking right now as far as that goes. It's not a specific niche, I would say, though. But if you guys see in the title, it says nature lover shirt. So that has to be in the nature niche, which tells me that that's a more profitable niche since so many people are selling this specific wildflower t-shirt. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to click into this one, but it looks like the type of SEO they're going for is ladies shirts, best friend gift, flower shirts, floral t-shirts. So it seems like the floral flower niche is very profitable as far as that goes. We're going to keep going down the list to see if we can find anything else that's higher. So this is another profitable niche, is the bee niche, I'd say. I've seen this on Etsy, and just designs relating to bees a lot of people love, especially come spring and summertime and even into fall. I wouldn't say this is more of an evergreen niche, but as you guys can see, the titles they are using is Be Kind, Stay Positive, Fun, Confident, Happy, Wild, Joyful t-shirt, Happiness t-shirts. This is a very vague and generic niche though, and I wouldn't even call it a niche, so to speak, but this type of design is very trendy. It's been trendy for as long as I've been on Etsy. And as you guys can see in the tags, they mostly have Be Kind, and Be Kind is a trademarked word. So don't use that in a design, guys, just FYI. But again, if you just want to do positivity and kind of more self-love niche, I feel like self-love is definitely a niche on Etsy, and that this would be a great design idea for it. Not to copy this design directly, but you could create certain designs related to bees that would really sell on Etsy as far as that goes. And again, as we're going down the list, there's another Explore More shirt. So from what I can see and what I'm seeing on Etsy is a lot of these most profitable niches are the explore niche, adventure niche, camping niche, hiking. I think those are really great niches to go in. And again, from my time on Etsy, I have seen high profits from this specific niche alone. I think it's a really great niche to go into. I'm going to click on it to just look at this specific type of design. But as you guys can see, this is a really simplistic and nice design. And for their SEO, they only have Explore More, but if we go back to the tags, it's Explore More, Explore Gift, Adventure Shirt, T-shirt for women, Travel More shirt. So it's just wilderness, explore, hiking, camping, all of the above as far as tags go. So I think these are really nice and profitable niches and designs. And again, when I'm looking on EverBee, first of all, I like clicking into the specific listing and seeing that it has the best bestseller badge, but you guys can also see by estimated total of sales, the amount of favorites that a listing has, and then also the estimated monthly revenue is a good indicator on how many t-shirts sell, and specifically EverBee provides the estimated monthly sales as well. However, I will say what I personally look at is the estimated total number of sales, because that is again a high indicator to me that this product sells a lot and it's very profitable. And as you guys could see earlier, one of these designs alone made $250 a month. And if you have a few 5+ different bestsellers like this, then you could make a full-time income off of selling these types of designs and just really ranking up in the Etsy algorithm, so to speak. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this specific EverBee tutorial and how I personally research designs and niches. And hopefully this helped you guys find some really profitable niches that you may have more design inspiration for after this video. So I hope you guys learned a little bit of what I have to share, and stick around for the end part of this video because I have a special announcement for you guys. There are so many profitable niches and trending designs that you guys can do right now, and before I end this video, I just want to say don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below if any questions that you guys may have. On top of that, I have a free course on my website that you guys can sign up for down below. If you guys look in the links in my description, it goes over how to set up an Etsy and print-on-demand store, and that's the course I teach. Also guys, exciting announcement, I have a course coming out that is a print-on-demand academy course, so you guys can learn all that I have to offer on print-on-demand, how to create a store, how to run it to 6 figures. When you are scaling your store, what steps should you be taking to scale a store? How do you use Facebook ads? How do you use Etsy ads? Are Etsy ads worth it? What type of designs should you do? What type of products can you find or niches that you can find? There's so much my course offers, and it literally is everything that has created my own 6-figure store and what can create a 6-figure Etsy plus print-on-demand store for you guys as well. So check out that course down below, sign up for the launch date and the launch promotions that I'm going to be running with this course. You guys get a special discount for subscribing to my YouTube account when this course launches. So guys, look out for that, and I will see you all in my next video here.